Hi, SpotWorld is a new social travel application for iPhone, which helps travelers discover the best travel spots anywhere. So let's talk about some of the design decisions made in the SpotWorld app. A lot of media apps show media on the first screen of the app. And for good reason, because you want the user to get to that stuff pretty quickly, generally speaking. However, you'll notice that the first thing that pops out to you with our home page are these four gray buttons, and they represent the fact that SpotWorld has a few different rich experiences that the user can browse. So we wanted to say to the user, hey, this is your roadmap. These are the different options that you can go, and you can always refer back to them on the home page to kind of see your navigation, and you can select one to get into the media experience. You'll also see that we have a search bar on the home page itself, easily accessible at any time, and there's default text here, place name, comma, city, to say to the user, hey, that's a format in which you can input the text to find what you need to find as quickly as possible. And the reason that we have that accessible from the homepage is that we have 500,000 points of interest in the app, a large number. So if you don't want to go through some of these browsing experiences, you can easily search for them, get the result that you want, and then get to the media quickly. Now, the last thing I'll point out on the homepage itself is that we have a notifications bar here. And that's for all those fun things that can happen in a social network, like friend requests, likes, and a number of other different messages, and the user can quickly understand that that's my go-to place for those types of messages. Now let's look at a couple of experiences in the app. The one thing I'll point in the Near Me experience, which shows you interesting places that are close to you, is that we use a standard element for that toggle, that 3-element toggle that says photo list map. And the reason we use a standard element there is because it's easily recognizable by any iPhone user, because Apple often uses that element. So you can get to the map view by clicking on that map toggle, and you can see those same places. Or you can look at them in the photo view if you prefer the photo view. But the main point is that we use a standard toggle for easy recognition by the user. Now, in destinations, we have a selection page where the user can select a destination to get to the media. And you'll notice that we made a very conscious decision to use photos. And the reason we did that is because photos bring about a lot of positive associations from a lot of users of destinations, a lot of positive memories. The trade-off is that this page is long, and it takes a user a little while to get to the place that they want to get to and make a selection. Now, we thought that trade-off was worth it just because of some of the positive aspects that photos bring. In this other experience called Popular Itineraries, you'll see the same destinations laid out in a very utilitarian manner. So just text that you can easily scroll through to get to the destination of your choice. And the only other thing we have here is that gray bubble, which shows the number of user-generated itineraries in each destination. So the point here is the user can more quickly just make the selection that they want to make and get to the good stuff, which are the community-generated itineraries. They can browse those quickly and then get to the itineraries themselves, and then simply, choose a spot and get to the richness of the media that we have on that spot. So going back to that selection page, the main point here, in contrast with the destination selection page, is utility and speed. So those are a few of the design decisions we made on the homepage and in a couple of the experiences. Thank you for watching the video.